Today I have another suite showdown for you. Which suite is sweeter? The Sweet Aft Suite or the cheeky corner suite? These are both rockstar suites on the Scarlet Lady, and they are often fairly close in price. So let's find out which one comes out on top. If that sounds interesting, please keep watching. Hello everyone, I hope you are having a splendid day, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So this is a suite smackdown. 2 suites go in and only 1 suite comes out. Or in other words, I just tell you about both suites and then at the end I tell you which one I liked better. On my recent Virgin sailing, my parents stayed in a cheeky corner suite and my husband and I stayed in a Sweet Aft Suite. So here I'm going to compare these 2 staterooms and give you my thoughts. If you are thinking of booking a suite on the Scarlet Lady, I hope this information helps. These 2 suite categories each have 3 different levels. You can choose from the pretty big terrace, the bigger terrace, or the biggest terrace. And on this sailing, my parents and I both had the biggest terrace. These 2 suites have identical perks like priority boarding and an in-room stocked bar that is yours to enjoy during the sailing. I have an entire video that dives deep into the suite perks on the Scarlet Lady, and I will link it at the end for you in case you're curious. This video also compares the Rockstar benefits to the Mega Rockstar benefits. With all that out of the way, let's dive right in. Okay, let's start with our stateroom, the Sweet Aft Suite with biggest terrace. These kooky names never get old, do they? The stateroom is a pretty good size. It's about the size of a junior suite on other cruise lines that I've sailed with. The bed is large and it's very comfortable, but there is no couch or living room area. It's not a huge stateroom, so why would you pay more money to stay in this cabin versus a regular terrace cabin? It's because of the terrace. The terrace is huge. It has a table and chairs, the famous hammock, and loungers. It's very spacious, and plus you get a fabulous view of the wake. So let's look at some video that I took of our stateroom. As you can see, my husband really enjoyed the terrace and he spent a lot of time relaxing on the balcony, and who could blame him? Before we move on to the cheeky corner suite, let's take a look at the bathroom. The bathrooms in these 2 suites are almost identical, except ours had a window that overlooked the terrace. I liked the window. The bathroom is a decent size. It's not huge, but all the suites on the Scarlet Lady have Italian marble bathrooms, and that's really nice. If you prefer a big bathroom over a big terrace, I would recommend the Seriously Suite. Some people don't spend a lot of time in their cabin, so having a large terrace isn't that big of a deal. So a Seriously Suite might be a good option. I do have a video about the Seriously Suite, and I will link it at the end in case you want to check it out. By the way, the Seriously Suite is one of the least expensive suite options on the Scarlet Lady. It does have a standard size balcony, but it is really nice. Now on to the cheeky corner suite with biggest terrace. And this cabin was a little bit larger than our suite. In addition to the bedroom area, it has a cozy sitting area as well. And guess what? The terrace for the cheeky corner suite is even bigger than the one for the Sweet Aft Suite. It's ginormous and it's a wraparound balcony. Let's take a look at some video of the stateroom and its stunning terrace. thing I didn't like about my parents' terrace was the location of the hammock. It's around the corner on the small section of the balcony. The placement is a little strange, and with such a huge space, I think Virgin could have done better. I really preferred our hammock placement. So with all that being said, which one do I think is better? And the answer is I would choose the cheeky corner suite over the Sweet Aft Suite. I liked the extra room in the cabin and the seating area. And the wraparound terrace was unreal. It is one of the largest balconies I have ever seen on a cruise ship. I was lucky enough to get to see a mega rockstar balcony on this sailing. It was the Posh Suite, and the Posh Suite's terrace wasn't nearly as nice as my parents'. The cheeky corner suite is usually a little more expensive than the Sweet Aft Suite, but if the prices are comparable, I would definitely go with the cheeky corner suite. So which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. I hope this video was helpful if you're trying to decide which rockstar suite to book. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm working on a couple more Virgin videos right now, and I would absolutely love it if you would join my traveling party. If you'd like to talk Virgin cruising with me just a little bit longer, I will link to videos at the end that I think you might like. The video to the left is the one where I compare the Terrace suite to the Sweet Aft Suite with pretty big terrace. And the video on the right is all about the suite perks and the advantages of staying in a suite on the Scarlet Lady. Until next time, I hope you have happy and safe travels. I appreciate you and thank you so much for watching. Bye.